Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the importance, advantages, disadvantages, and process of training and development. First of all, definition of training and development. Training and development is a system of an organization which emphasize on the improvement of the performance of individuals and groups. तो ये जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एक सिस्टम है जो कि जोर देता है किस बात के ऊपर, ऑन द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप्स। इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति के और पूरे ग्रुप के परफॉर्मेंस को इम्प्रूव करने में जोर देता है। ट्रेनिंग इज एन एजुकेशनल प्रोसेस विच इन्वॉल्व्स द शार्पनिंग ऑफ स्किल्स। ये एक एजुकेशनल प्रोसेस जिसमें इन्वॉल्व है स्किल को शार्प करना, कॉन्सेप्ट्स, changing of attitude and gaining more knowledge to enhance the performance of the employees. Good and efficient training of employees helps in their skills and knowledge development. मतलब अच्छा और efficient ट्रेनिंग जो एम्प्लॉय को हेल्प करता है उनके स्किल डेवलपमेंट और नॉलेज के डेवलपमेंट में, विच इवेंचुअली हेल्प्स अ कंपनी इम्प्रूव, जो कि फिर कंपनी को भी इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करता है। Training is about knowing where you are in the present and after some time where will you reach with your abilities। कि अभी आप कहाँ पे हैं और जब आपकी एबिलिटी कुछ इन्हांस हो जाएगी तो उसके साथ कहाँ पे पहुंच जाएंगे। तो इस बात का पता नहीं, ये ट्रेनिंग है। बाय ट्रेनिंग पीपल कैन लर्न न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन, न्यू मेथोडोलॉजी एंड रिफ्रेश देयर एग्जिस्टिंग नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स। ड्यू टू दिस there is much improvement and adds up the effectiveness at work। तो इसके कारण बहुत सारे इंप्रूवमेंट हो जाता है, बहुत सारे को जुड़ जाते हैं वर्क के इफिशियंसी में। The motive behind giving the training is to create an impact that lasts beyond the end time of the training itself, and employees gets updated with the new phenomenon. Training can be offered as skill development for individuals and groups. Now, development. Organizational development is a process that strives to build the capacity to achieve and sustain a new desired state that benefits the organization or community and the world around them. Relation between training and development. There is a relation between training and development, and there is clear difference between the two based on goals to be achieved. Development is made to answer the training problems. ट्रेनिंग के प्रॉब्लम्स का आंसर देने के लिए डेवलपमेंट बनाया गया है। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे डिफरेंस between training and development. Training is meant for operatives, but development is meant for executives. It is relative process. It is proactive process. Aim to develop additional skills. Aim to develop the total personality. It is short-term process. It is continuous process. Objective to meet the present need of an employee. Objective to meet the future need of an employee. Initiative is taken by the management. Initiative is taken by an individual. Next, importance of training and development. For companies to keep improving, it is important for organizations to have continuous training and development programs for their employees. Competition and the business environment keeps changing, and hence it is critical to keep learning and pick up new skills. The importance of training and development is as follows. Optimum utilization of human resources, development of skills like time management, leadership, team management, etc. to increase the productivity and enhance employee motivation, to provide the gel of team spirit. 4. Improvement of organization culture, to improve quality, safety, to increase profitability, improve the moral and corporate image. Now, need for training and development. The training and development of employees is a costly activity as it requires a lot quality inputs from trainers as well as employees. But it is essential that the company revises its goals and efficiencies with the changing environment. Here are a few critical reasons why the company endorses training and development sessions. These are when management thinks that there is a need to improve the performance of employees, to set up the benchmark of improvement so far in the performance improvement efforts, to train about the specific job responsibility and skills like communication, management, team management, etc. To test the new methodology for increasing the productivity. Advantages of training developments are training and development has a cost attached to it. However, since it is beneficial for companies in the long run, they ensure employees are trained regularly. Some advantages are helps employees develop new skill and increase their knowledge, improves efficiency and productivity of the individuals as well as the teams. Proper training and development can remove bottlenecks in operations. New and improved job positions can be created to make the organization linear, keeps employees motivated, and refreshes their goals, ambitions, and contribution levels. Disadvantage of training development. Even though there are several advantages, some drawbacks of training and development are mentioned below. It is an expensive process which includes arranging the correct trainers and engaging employees for non-revenue activities. There is a risk that after the training and development session, the employee can quit the job. Process, training and development process. Training and development is a continuous process as the skills, knowledge, and quality of work needs constant improvement. Since business are changing rapidly, it is critical that companies focus on training their employees after constantly monitoring them and developing their overall personality. Steps for training development process are: first, determine the need of training and development for individual or teams. Second, establish specific objectives and goals which need to be achieved. Third, select the methods of training. Fourth, conduct and implement the programs for employees. Fifth, evaluate the output and performance post the training and development session. ट्रेनिंग डेवलपमेंट सेशन के बाद keep monitoring and evaluating the performances and again see if more training is required. तो इनके प्रोसेस थे, इनका ये डायग्राम है. Identifying training need. First, establish objectives, select training methods, conduct and deliver training, इवेलुएट परफॉर्मेंस। उसके बाद फिर से देखना है कि अगर और भी ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है तो दोबारा इसी को फिर से रिपीट किया जाएगा इसी सर्कल को। ओके, थैंक यू।